Hey guys, it's me and Timmy, and we're gonna go and camp. Alright? We'll see you there. Alright, so me and Timmy are here now. We got this beautiful campfire. Picture the people that used to live here. How do you think, Timmy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Alright.
cable pipe. Where are the
So-
cell phones? Where are the TVs? Where are the video games? I hate it.
Oh, Timmy. It's bonding time. Alright, we're gonna go to sleep. Alright, we're gonna go to sleep, so yeah.
Oh, day 2. I've had enough.
Wait, Timmy, no, don't do it! Timmy, please don't do it. No, Timmy! Yeah, thanks for watching Little Timmy and Frosty camping, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yep.
Bye!
Bye.